What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there. All the love and support is appreciated beyond belief, and I just wanted to express my love to you guys and say thank you. In this video today, we are going to be doing a 3-month update on the Last Coat's CERA Trim Ceramic Powered Trim Restore. So, to all my new subscribers that may not know, a lot of you guys follow along the channel. This is the Last Coat CERA Trim. This is a ceramic powered trim restore. Not only does it restore your plastics, make them look new again, but at the same time it adds that protection on there to protect it from damaging UV rays and stuff like that. So not only are you restoring it, but you're protecting it as well. And the Last Coat sent this to me to try out. So 3 months ago, I put it on the F-150 that you're about to see. And all I did was put one coat of this. And I've been curious to know at what point I'm gonna have to reapply. So with that being said, we're gonna get out on this F-150 at the 3-month mark. 3 months, one wash. I checked it at 1 month, and he's not washed it since. So this thing, he just got back from camping too. Guys, this thing sits out in the elements, okay? Daily. It's his commuter. He goes camping in this thing like religiously. Honestly, I'm kind of jealous at how often he's camping. But this truck absolutely sees off-road dirt. As you guys are about to see, it's pretty filthy. I'll show you guys the truck before we go into testing this. I'll show you guys how filthy it is, but it's absolutely filthy. It's covered in dirt, hasn't been washed. So you got to consider it's been 3 months since this has been applied. It's only been washed one time. No maintaining the plastics at all. So I'm excited. Let's get out on this F-150 and let's check on the CERA Trim. All right, everybody, let's check this F-150 out here. As you can see here, it's just absolutely filthy. It's just covered in dust, and instantly what I could see is the plastics aren't as vibrant as when I first applied the CERA Trim. Obviously, yes, they are dirty. That is a layer of dirt, but they're not as vibrant. It's not as deep. Now, I'm not expecting it to keep that deepness at the 3-month mark, given the abuse that these plastics have taken. But you can see here, they're just absolutely filthy, just disgusting. And although it lost a little bit of the deep richness that the Restore brings back, it is definitely nowhere near how bad the plastics were when we started out. Now here it looks like it's faded, but that's really actually just dust. That's dust, because this thing is just completely dusty, scratched up all down the side. So this CERA Trim has literally been in probably the worst possible conditions, and that's why I think it is the perfect test coat. And it hasn't been maintained. Test coat, not a test coat, a test vehicle, sorry. But you can see, I mean, this thing is just used and abused, and I can't think of a more perfect test vehicle. So we're just gonna finish a quick walk around here, check out how filthy these plastics are before we go into a rinse test and check out and see if we still have some protection left behind. All right, let's jump into a rinse test, and instantly you guys could see. Look how awesome these hydrophobics are, guys. At the 3-month mark, still protected. The plastic is definitely still protected. Would I say is it 100% what it was? No, it wasn't. But that is absolutely still 85% protection. It has degraded just a little bit here, as you can see on the mirror. It's sheeting just a little bit. So the hydrophobics aren't as strong as it was when I first applied it, or at the 1-month mark. However, they're still there. It is still protected. The plastics still have a nice color to them. Yeah, is it diminished just a little bit? Yeah, that's fine. But I mean, at the 3-month mark, given the conditions that this truck has been in, 1 wash, 3 months, no maintaining. I mean, I couldn't be happier right now, guys, to be honest. As we move on to these pillars, you could see it sheeting right towards the bottom of the passenger front door. That's where everybody's hand goes on the door when they shut the door. So you can imagine that may take a little bit more wear than other pieces of the plastic, but that's okay. That's totally fine. We're moving to the back here. Still awesome hydrophobics on the plastic. Still protected at the 3-month mark, which is I'm pretty much blown away, guys. This is the best stuff that I personally have used when it comes to trim restores. I mean, look at those beads. It's beading up like paint. I mean, it still baffles me to see plastic this hydrophobic. Yeah, I mean, it's just crazy, man. I'm not used to it. You know, yeah, are there other products out there, coatings, you know, that you can put on your yeah, but I haven't came across any of those yet. So for me, this stuff is absolutely fantastic. And how easy it is to apply, guys. I mean, I had 0 issues whatsoever applying this stuff. So as I kind of move around to get to the other side, gotta lug my pressure washer over here. I can't wait till I don't have to move my pressure washer with me everywhere I go. So as we get over here to the driver's side, as you can see, the plastics still look good. I mean, they still look good. Look how hydrophobic they are. I mean, at the 3-month, I know I'm saying that a lot, guys, but you guys are getting my honest opinion here, guys. It's awesome. I mean, at the 3-month mark, it's holding up very nicely. I could definitely stand behind this product and recommend this product for sure. I've used it. I've seen what it could do, and you guys are seeing it right here on this F-150. And there's going to be people out there. I mean, if this thing was garage kept and maintained, I mean, think of the long-term durability you can get out of this. And that's just 1 coat, everybody. That's 1 coat. Absolutely fantastic. I sat here and sprayed these pillars, and as you can see right there at the bottom too, where people's hands go when they shut the door, that takes a little bit of a token on it as well. But that's totally fine. Look at that hydrophobics, man. It's great. I wasn't expecting what I saw here, guys. I was not expecting that. I was actually kind of blown away, and now I can put a little bit of, you know, durability and testing behind this product when I recommend it to people. So it's awesome, and I couldn't really recommend it any more than I already am recommending it. And just so you guys know, this is all still dirty. I mean, most of the surface dirt came off with the rinse, as you guys can see here, but I want to show you guys after I wash it how the hydrophobics are, what it looks like, if it restored a little bit of that hydrophobics and the protection. So I'm just showing you guys the rear bumper here real quick. It is definitely taking majority of the hit, you know, stepping on it, walking on it, stuff running out of the bed into the plastic. I mean, it takes majority of the hit, but you can still see it's got that color still. It's still hydrophobic. It's still protecting. So that's awesome to see. So let's jump into a quick after wash and check out the plastics and see where we're at after the wash. All right, everybody, so this is after the wash, and you can still see that it is still hydrophobic. It is still there. I'm not gonna go around and show you guys every piece of plastic like I did in the last one, because I don't want this video to run on that long.
but you can still see after the wash, it is still protected. It's still there. Still looks good. It made a slight difference in hydrophobics for sure, especially on the mirror here and on the cowl, but it is still there, still protecting. Sheeting a little bit, you know, like I stated before, sheeting a little bit right on that top portion of the mirror. But I mean, even this cowl here is still extremely hydrophobic, and it looks good, guys. And the rest of the plastics look the same. And one thing I did notice too as well is on the side pillars here, where you're going to see after the wash, it seems that the sheeting isn't as bad at the bottom. So it's like there was like some oil or something at the bottom. Although it's still sheeting, it's not as bad as it was before. So I did notice it restored a little bit of hydrophobics there, but other than that, all the hydrophobics are still the same. So I am very, very impressed here with the CERA trim. Let's jump into some final thoughts of this stuff.
All right, everybody, we're gonna run through a quick final thoughts segment on the last coat CERA trim. I'm absolutely happy, guys. I'm absolutely happy. 3 months, 1 coat, only 1 wash on the truck was me at the 1 month mark. But all jokes aside, at 3 months, it's still protecting the plastic incredibly. Some spots, it sheets just a little bit slow. Maybe you're taking just a little hit, but at the 3 month mark, you can't be mad. I mean, this truck has not been maintained at all, so you got to consider that as well. The heat, oh man, it's been so hot here. Daily driven to the mountains, camping, gravel roads, dirt, all that kind of stuff. So given all the variables to consider, this stuff performed fantastic. I would highly recommend it to anybody. Anybody I would recommend this to if you want to restore and protect your trim. Huge shout out to the last coat, because they did send me this a while back, and you know, they're just great guys, and they talk with me often, and it's a great company, and I give credit where credit's due. Thank you again to the last coat. You guys rock, man. So yeah, I mean, I did apply another layer while I was here. There was no point in going any further to test the durability. In my conditions, 3 months, I applied another coat. I'm not mad at all. In 3 months, that's just maintenance. That's just maintaining it. And had he washed it, you know, maybe at least 1 or 2 times, and maintained it with some TLC 2, you know, something you can just top it with, or shoot, even apply another coat if he wanted to. But at 3 months, I mean, I'm absolutely impressed at the results I got on this truck with 3 months, only 1 wash in that 3 months. There's nothing else to say about that. That's a fantastic product right there, guys. And yeah, if you are interested in CERA trim or any of the TLC products, you can use discount code Papa Smurf at checkout, and you'll get, I believe it's 20% off your order. So if you guys want to try this or any of their other products, head over to the last coat, use discount code Papa Smurf, save you some cash, get some fantastic products. Boom, win-win, baby. So with that being said, I want to take a quick second and say thank you to every single one of you guys out there that takes the time out of your day to watch my videos. I appreciate it so much. I enjoy making content for you guys, and just, it baffles me at all the love I've been getting. So thank you. If you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed, if you like this type of stuff, please consider subscribing. Details, product reviews, paint polishing, you know, all that kind of stuff. If you're into it, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up for me, hit the little notification bell. That way when I do upload more videos, you guys will get notified. So I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at watching right now. And I'm gonna catch you guys all on the next video.